Hello everyone, welcome to my channel today, a channel with a target for knowledge and growth. On this channel, every video is a step towards enlightenment. So are you ready to embark on a journey filled with knowledge and inspiration, with empowerment? Then you are at the right place. Look no further. If you are new here or a returning viewer, I welcome you to my channel today. And I encourage you to stick around to the end of this video because we'll be discussing more career options when it comes to media vocational training in Germany. Well, for us to be able to give more information to amazing people like you, we encourage you to share our videos, comment, and like. By sharing our videos, we can reach more people. And you are not just watching the video by benefiting yourself, you are becoming a platform of information for your family, friends, and community around you. So I encourage you to stick to the end, watch our video, and together we create a network of informed and inspired individuals. So why choose Germany? Germany is known for its robust and renowned vocational training system because you earn and you learn. You are learning in a practical setting and you are earning as well. In this way, you mix academic learning with hands-on experience, and you are not paying tuition fee. In the other way, you are earning. So that is why Germany's vocational training system is very robust, because it's a perfect place to develop skills in the practical settings, and this opens doors for multitudes of career opportunities. The multitude of career opportunities. So if you want to start your career in Germany, you can start with vocational training, which can be a ladder to your career success. So by watching this video, you are not just benefiting yourself, you are becoming a beacon of knowledge for friends, families, and your community. So I'll be going into today's video. This is a continuation video, and this video is in the media playlist, that is media playlist. I encourage you to watch the video to the end. The previous video I discussed, this is the 10th career under this area of specialization, and I have discussed the first career you can go for when it comes to digital and print media. In this video, I'll be discussing two more career options you can look into, and maybe it suits you, then you can go into it. So let's dive in today's goal. It's a continuation video, like I said, as the picture beside me is showing. It's Beruf rund Druck on Median, that is profession related to printing and media. When you are interested, or if you are interested in printing and media, then this is a video I encourage you to watch to the end. And to access vocational training, let's not forget you must understand your German language. Your German language is very important. It helps you access more career opportunities. And with this, there's no limit to your career success. So I encourage you, if you have not started learning your German language, I encourage you to start. If you have, give yourself a big thumbs up. And if you have not started, what are you still waiting for? So I encourage you to start your German language. So I'll be discussing, we are still on the 10th career, that is digital and print media designer, which has 3 areas of specialization. The 10th career, like I said before, the first area of specialization is in the playlist. You can watch that. So I'll be discussing the second and the third career paths. It's in the playlist Media Ausbildung in Germany. You can check my playlist. So the second and the third, the first career path is you are into digital and print designer. You are a digital and a print designer, but you are going into the specialization of design and engineering. So you can take the path as a designer, and the duration is 3 years. It's 3 years, and it's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. It's a recognized training. So do you need a certificate? If you have your Hochschulreife or your Hauptschulabschluss or your Realschulabschluss, any of the certificates equivalent, higher, you are accepted into this career option. So if you are a digital and a print media designer in the area of design and engineering or design and technology, what do? You create layouts for print media and combine text, image, and video files together into multimedia content. That is what you do. For example, you create content for social media channels or for network. So you also design stamps and sign. You can edit photographs as well. You program websites. You maintain online applications and create 3D presentations. You prepare elements as well using different media, cross-media publishing, and you do that in different ways. You prepare photographs for a print catalog, the same images, you can lower resolution, so anything that has to do with print templates, print forms, stamps, flexographic printing plates. You carry out test prints, you proofread text, you check the color values, you test whether the digital products function flawlessly. So that is what you do. And after doing that, you hand over all that you've done to the customer. So where do you find employment? If you are a digital and print media designer in the area of design and technology, you find employment in companies that are into printing and media, advertising agencies or advertising departments of larger companies, and in manufacturers, companies of graphic products. That is where you find employment. So like I will always say, this is just the second career. I'll still be discussing the third career option in this video. So don't give up on your careers. I encourage you to watch this video to the end, because the second career option I'll still discuss. So I will see you there. Don't give up on your careers, because only you can stop you. Welcome back. So I'll be discussing the second career option. This is the third area of specialization when it comes to the 10th career path, and that is Fachrichtung Conception und Visualisierung. That is specialization when it comes to conception and visualization. The duration is 3 years as well, and it's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. It is a recognized training. Do you need the certificates as I mentioned earlier in the previous career option as well? You need your Hochschulreife. If you have your Hauptschulabschluss, Realschulabschluss, any of the certificates, you are admitted. And if you have higher or equivalent certificates, you are admitted as well. It's 3 years and it's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. So what do you do if you are a digital and print media designer specializing in conception and visualization? That is your area of specialty. You are specializing in conception and visualization. What do? You develop concepts for media products such as magazines, advertisements or websites. You develop media products. You use client information and specifications to design tasks and objectives. You find the target groups that should be reached, and you gather ideas implementing the project. You create concepts and you visualize the ideas. You draft these ideas so that the design variants can be represented, as the picture beside me is showing. So you illustrate with graphics, diagrams. You adapt the design to respective medium to achieve optimal results. You refine the draft to suit the media. Every draft, you make sure you refine it to suit the media. You check the design to make sure that the files, there's completeness and there's technical visibility, and you create production ready drafts. That is what you also do. So where do you find employment? Apart from making that all the designs that you've created, there's quality control, and before you give your job to the customer, you find employment in advertising agencies. That is where you find employment, in advertising agencies and companies that are into printing, or a company that is in the media industry, as well as media agencies. That is where you find employment. It is 3 years. If you are specializing in conception and visualization, you are a design manager, you are a media and design engineer, you are into specialization, conception and visualization. The duration is 3 years and it's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. I encourage you, if you have not started German language, it's a very good thing if you start your German language, because with this you can access all vocational training options apart from required certificates that I mentioned in each video. It's an Media Ausbildung. So we have come to the end of the video. We've discussed 2 career options. This video is in the media playlist. I encourage you, if my video has helped you, you can help someone too by sharing so they know that there are these career options. Like, comment, and finally, if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? I encourage you to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that when I drop my next video, you are the first to know, and you can have more information when it comes to media careers as vocational training. So you won't miss any update from us. I encourage you. I'll see you in my next video. Don't give up on your careers. See you in my next video, because only you can stop you.